Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share my top 5 tips on how to have more time to be creative. I often hear this question in lots of Facebook groups: how do people find the time to be creative and have time for crafting whilst having a busy lifestyle? So I've come up with my best top 5 tips, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a little bit of a light-hearted subject, so a little bit of a different subject for me as well altogether. So don't forget to leave some love in the comment section down below. Thank you.
So tip number 1 is your washing up. If you're going to find time to be creative, we just don't have time to do the washing up. So you either need a dishwasher, a man, or a small human to do your washing up for you because there's just no time. Tip number 2 is your laundry. I prefer to do my laundry and then leave it in a nice neat pile and live out of that pile of laundry for the rest of the week. You can adapt this to suit your needs, doing your laundry as and when you need, but just make sure it fits around your crafting. Tip number 3 is craft shopping. Now we all know that craft shopping and actually crafting are two totally separate hobbies. So if you're going to need time to be creative, you need to quit the shopping. If you do go shopping, however, my best tip would be do not unpack what you've bought, leave it in a bag in your craft room. And that leads us nicely on to tip number 4, the craft room. Now, no time for organising. If you drop all of that organising, putting craft supplies away, you will have so much more time available for crafting. As you can see, I am totally channeling this in my craft room. Yes, the piles go on and on. And then finally, tip number 5 is good old YouTube. Now I love watching creative videos, but if I'm trying to find time to be creative, I just need to get on with it. But I don't know where I'll get my creativity from if I'm not watching YouTube and I'm not searching Pinterest and Instagram. I don't know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!